Everyone, today's quest is Further Math Scorpio 1, paper 1. As you can see, this is 2023. I couldn't find 2024. I did make a recent video on 2024, like normal math paper. I couldn't find it anymore after I uploaded the video suspiciously. But um, but yeah, I'm doing this paper. Bear in mind, I'm gonna do this with no calculator. For I'm sorry guys, I might have to cheat a little bit, but I'm gonna have to have the form booklet. I'm gonna mark him here for like later just to mark. But I got the form booklet here. Because I was like, it's only fair, right? So maybe I can have a chance in attempting stuff I never seen before. And yeah, I'm gonna go straight into it. I'll just say like yeah, this will be a guide on how to basically ace this paper without knowing anything. So let's go. So actually, I have no clue what I'm meant to expect. Okay, the cubic equation, blah blah, has roots that solve the equation of time cubic equation. I've never done a question like this before. Without solving the equation, determine a cubic equation whose roots are alpha plus 2, beta plus 2, gamma plus 2. Give me answer in the form this for p, q, and r plus to be found. So like intuitively, I'd think like um, let's say you have alpha, beta, and gamma, right? Just a, b, c. Unless your function was like this. But now you can have like a plus 2, b plus 2, c plus 2. So your function like this. So doesn't your function just move 2 to the right? So it would be so like you'd replace like if you look at f of x cubed minus 7x squared, f of x minus 2 equals, and then you just do that. And I guess, and the same give you answer from w blah blah. So I guess you just plug in like f of w minus 2. So I'll do this. F of w minus 2. Just intuitively, because it wants w, and we're shifting 2 to the right. So maybe that's what it is. Uh, okay, this is gonna be the long. This will be the boring part of the vid. Just give me a few moments. I don't want to mess up any of the workings, otherwise I'm cooked. It's 4w plus 4. Okay, I don't know the binomial expansion for w minus 2q, so let's just do that. If you're ever unsure of if your expansion is actually right, just do the whole thing manually and then just call it a day. 12w plus 24 plus 6. Look right. Equals w cubed squared plus 4w squared plus 6. 8 37w squared plus 8w 28 plus 30. Okay, which equals w cubed, that goes away, negative 4, negative 6, negative 13, 4, 10, 38, 26, and then that's just 2, negative 6. Oh, wait, I think I've done it. Surely that's the answer, no? Because I was thinking do like sum product of roots, but then that's like, you can find p and you can find, oh, that's how you check. So look, if you do here, the sum of roots is like minus b of a, right? So minus p equals alpha plus beta plus gamma um, plus 2 plus 2 times 3 is 6. And then, so p is negative over. Then the sum of roots here is just 7. So the negative p equals 7 plus 6, which implies p equals negative 13. Oh, wait. Okay. Just because of that, I've confirmed my answer. See, look, sometimes if there's two methods of question and you do one method, you can do the other method and then see if you're right. That's it. Okay, let's keep going. All right, for once, it's like pretty tough on cameras. I'm not midnight. It's not midnight right now. I can actually like think. So hopefully, you might think. If I do worse than doing math at midnight, I'm cooked. 2a or lovely question that is. Okay, that's just x plus 2 squared take 9 b. So I can do some of the normal IB stuff, but then when it comes to. Hence, use a standard integral from the form book to find this thing. Okay, straight off the bat, like I'm just gonna replace the inside with x plus 2 squared take away 9. Because like, why would they tell us to complete the square? And then all of a sudden it appears in the next question. So I'm gonna just write that. It says form book. So okay, luckily I got my form book today. Let's try to find this. I don't know how this works. Maybe pure pure maths, further maths? Was that 17? Oh wait, oh no, maybe it would be in the early. Okay, let's just keep scrolling. Whoa, why? What the hell? You guys get so much. You didn't get all of this in IB. We just got like the basic ones. What the hell? Okay, let's go. It's gonna be like an arc something maybe. Uh, is that even a word? Wait, it looks like my thing, but arc what? Arc Kosh. They're taking a piss of it, I can't lie. What? How are they introducing my new English during the exam? Oh, that's why they're going this way. Because I got, so I guess x plus 2 goes here. I know it says x, but like, if you do a u sub, and you just bring u back in, it's still x plus 2. So I'll just, and then a squared. So, wait, but is a negative or positive? Because that's negative 3 squared or 3 squared. X squared. Okay, I'll just pick 3 because, like, who takes square roots and, you know, gets a negative number? That's just what. Plus a constant. See. Determine the mean value of the function. Give the answer in the form a log b, where a and b are constant simplest form. I think, okay, I'm gonna do something. I'm gonna actually solve integral from 30 to 3. Because look, think about it, right? They ask us to complete the square. But I have no clue what value all that stuff is. But they make they asked us this integral, and so for some reason it's come up again. So should I just integrate 1 over square root x plus 2? Sorry, that was just 9. Why was I? Yeah, I'm tapped. Why was I random? Um, and this equals arc cos 15 over 3. Take away arc cos. I have no clue what arc cos is, but you know, it's just 5 over 3, which equals, okay, maybe there's like a formula here. Wait, what's that? Oh, wait, is this like, is this the same as that? Log x, because then maybe, wait, okay, I'm gonna do something. I'm gonna say this, okay, or the answer was log x plus 2, because it asked for a log b, right? So I don't want to like square root x 2 squared take away 9, right? So it's equal to log 13 plus 2 square root squared take away log 3 plus 2 plus square root. Why do I keep putting 9 squared? There's no squared in that. Okay, and then that's log 15. Okay, I guess that's gonna be what, log 15 plus square root. Okay, 15 squared take away 9. That's cooked. 5 plus square root of 25 take away 9. Yeah, that's 16. Oh, there's 4, which is 9. Okay, 15 squared take away 9. I have no clue how to do that. To be fair, it's 15 plus 3 take away 3, which is 18 times 12, which is 6 times 2 times 6 times 3, which is 6 cubed. Wait, what? Oh, we got the square root of 6 cubed then. Is that what it is? 6 times 3 times 6 times 2. Yeah. So square root 6 times 6 squared. So is that what, like, wait. Yeah, 6 root 6. What were they asking for again? Oh, sorry. Uh, A log B. Okay. Um, so it's like the easiest. What can I do now? I mean, I can divide by 3 and everything. Okay, we're slightly cooked because I have no clue what's going on now. Okay, what else can we do? But this says me thing. What if you just like, what if like, I feel like I definitely made a mistake or something. Because we take away divide, right? That's calm. 13 plus 2 squared take away 9. 15 squared take away 9. 3, 15 take away. Yeah, that's calm. How do they expect us to just do this again? That's weird. Alright, I'll probably go wrong. Unlucky. You know, I'm gonna just say this and call it a day. I'll just divide by 130 minus 3. Because when I say me, like, I'm sure there's not some crazy ass. Maybe it's phone book. Like, I don't know. Let me search on me. Uh, okay, they don't even have it. So yeah, I'm just sticking with that. Alright, let's go. Oh, solution right calculus. Ah, that's good. Z1 equals minus 4 plus 4i. Express Z1 as 4. Damn, I haven't even done this at uni, you know. Yeah, we haven't done that at uni. Minus 4 plus 4i. So Z1 in the form R times cos psi sin phi. Okay, if I remember correctly, you take like that's the angle. S minus 4, that's 4i. So theta equals arc, I think pi minus arc, or no, arc tan 1 under 4 over negative 4. It's basically 4 over 4. Which one? Which is pi over 4. And the radius is just 4 root 2. Just because you have like, if you have A is also root 2, like right angle, triangle, blah blah. So it's 4 root 2 cos 3 pi over 4 plus I sine. Okay. Now we got Z2. Okay. Well, they given Z2 now. Determine the form AR plus IB where A and B are exact real numbers. Okay. So I'm gonna just make this into. Should I make that into like that form? Just do Z1 over Z2, or do I like? What's the strat? Okay. It will just do cos 17 pi over 12. What's 17 pi over 12 is like. Wait, what's 4 pi? 4, no, that's 48 pi over 12. 17 pi over 12 plus 2 pi over 12 plus pi over 6. Nah, it's not help. Maybe I want to get like all the integers in that. So, oh, actually, this is pi plus 5 pi over 12. That doesn't help. Doesn't help. Okay, let's just leave that. Okay. Z1 over Z2. Okay, maybe, okay, Z2 equals 3 e to the I 17 pi over 12. So then Z1, I'll just do like that form. Maybe it works. We got 4 root 2 I 3 pi over 4 e to I 17, which equals 4 root 2 e to I. So 3 pi over 4 is like, what's 3 pi over 4 like? Times by 3, 12. But is this Z1 over Z2, right? Yeah. Equals 3 pi over 4. Okay, and then need that. Negative 8 pi over 12, which equals negative divided by 4, 2 pi over 3. So e to I pi over 3. From a plus ib that are taken plus 4 2 over 3 cos negative 2 pi over 3, which is just cos 2 pi over 3. Which equals, oh, you know, so cos 2 pi over 3 is negative cos of pi over 3, which is negative half, plus negative I sine 2 pi over 3 because it's odd, which is same as pi over 3, is sine 60 root 3 over 2. Hence equals negative 2 root 2 over 3 take away 2 root 6 over 3. Because it asks a plus ib, ib, so. Oh, wait, we got an answer. I haven't done this in so long, I don't remember, like, yeah, that's correct. I don't remember all this. But, let's keep going. Z to the power 4. Okay, I think this one, if you have a plus bi, it doesn't work. So, Z to the power 4, you can just use, like, this thing. So, 3 to I over 12. So, 17. Wait, how long have I taken so far? Okay, not too shabby. Yeah. 81 e to the I 17 pi. Okay, which is equal to 81 cos 17 pi over 3 plus I sine. What if you just keep taking away 2 pi from the argument? So like, because if you're like here, right, let's see, and you take away 2, or you add 2 pi, whatever, you come back to the same spot. So I'm going to argue like, so 17 pi over 3, take away 2 pi, so 6 pi over 3 equals 9 pi over 3, right? Never mind, 11 pi over 3. Take away 2 pi again, you get 5 pi over 3. And then take away 2 pi again, 2 pi over 3 again. Oh no, you're taking away 6 pi over 3. You get negative pi over 3. Could that be right? Oh wait, because you have 6 pi take away pi over 3. That's what this is. And if you keep adding 2 pi, it's the same thing. So it's just negative pi over 3. And cos of negative pi over 3, that's just cos pi over 3. Because it's even. I sine. It's actually the case. Cos of negative x is equals cos of x. Yeah. That's I sine like pi over 3. Negative sine pi over 3. Oh, maybe that's the trick. You just keep you keep taking away multiples of 2 pi. Yeah, I think I just learned it. Well, hopefully my answers are right, but we'll see. If I'm wrong, I'll just guess out. So that's 81 a half take away 2 take away I and root 3 over 2. Oh, okay, we're done. So maybe, so my problem earlier, so this is equal to 3 lots of cos. So 17 power 12. Okay, so now think about it. So we have 2 pi's we have in there. We got, oh wait, actually, it's even closer to pi. Well, it's the same as 2 pi, 24 pi over 12. Take away, because that's 2 pi, right? 7 pi over 12. Ah, that doesn't help, does it? Because, like, yeah, that's just cooked. Okay, I have no plans to do that one. Hopefully, we don't need the next. Uh, show on a Argand diagram. What is that? The comic sums. Oh, maybe it's like the y-x axis. I mean, this is like the imaginary part, and this is the real part. Maybe do that, because then z1 would be -4 plus 4i, so it'll be z2 is where's z2 at? Oh, they're taking a piss away. How can I even do that? 3 cos 17 power 12. Oh wait, what if we use our big brain strategy? Okay, think about it, right? 3, so cos 17 power 12, that'd be 17 power 12 is a bit more than pi. 3, 2 power 3 is that, 2 power 3 times by 4. Maybe it's here? Wait, 17 power 12, wait, let's rewrite that. So that's like 15 power 12 is what, like, um, wait, we need to cook on this, so let's cook. Uh, you divide by 3, you get 5 power 4. Okay, let's do our old strat. That was 2 pi, take away. That's 24 power 12, 7 power 12. So it's the same. So really, we're doing -7 power 12, right? So we have a negative value. We're going that way. It's a bit bigger than a half than 6 power 2, which is -power 2. So about here. Okay. So maybe the point is going to be like there. So maybe like here or something. And we're times by 3 as well. But because 3 is like the radius, right? Because this is 4 root 2, it's going to be something smaller like here. Okay, and then now we can just do the thing. Okay, you know what? I might not write the axes just because they'll clock out. I don't know what Z2 is. So we have to keep it smart. We'll do this. That's what's up. And they asked for one more thing. They asked for Z1 over Z2. Okay, we done that somewhere. -2 root 2 of 3. Okay. And -2 root 6 over 3. Okay, 2 root 2 over 3. That's it's less than half. Okay, maybe it's like here. Something like that. What else? And oh, so we've done that. Okay, I. The region. Oh shoot, shown a single. Okay. The region that Z outside Z minus Z1 is this outside Z minus Z2. So it's saying like if I pick like a random point Z, my distance to Z1 is less than the distance to Z2. Could that maybe just be if I draw a line in between them, you take like the midpoint. Am I always twice or was it like a circle thing? You know, but I'll just that's my shade of region. Yeah, yeah. I don't know about that one, but let's just keep on. I mean, look, honestly, well, I just say this. This is how I pretty much attempted like IB papers back in the day. I just write some waffle, just based off intuition, honestly. Um, Pure by induction for them. Okay, pure by induction. Let's see. Wait, what? Induction on matrices? I never seen that before. Well, I guess I know induction is, so let's just do so base case. So 1 2 0 1 is equal to, I guess, -2 times 1. I guess, yeah, just like they're both equal both sides. I guess maybe that. So assume for n equals k, that is true. So 1 2 k equals 1 2 k. Then n equals k plus 1. This induction step. Okay, so 1 2 0 1 k plus 1 equals. Wait, what if you take the thing out? So you just say like -2 0 1 power k times 1 -2 0 1. But this is from an assumption 1 -2 k 0 1 1 -2 0 1, which equals 1 -2 take away 2k 0 1, which equals 1 k plus 1. Oh, therefore by induction, it's facts. Okay, wait. The answer came to it just came about on the paper. I'm so confused. No, that's my first ever matrix induction question. I'll give that 10 out of 10, honestly. It was straight to the point, didn't give any bothering, and no formula cleaning. Why is vectors on there? Shoot. Okay, step number one. Before I even read the thing, formula clip, where's my vectors at? Honestly. Oh, I was hoping they'll have this. I remember there used to be a formula back in the day for these type of questions. Okay, you gotta zoom out for this one. 5a. The line L1 has equation. Find a point of intersection. I think I think there's a strat for this. Okay, I'm gonna turn the L1 into like, so L1 is gonna be equals lambda. If I remember, there's a way to do this. Um, I think it's this thing. Wait, it's saying if A's. Why are they writing sentences in my thing? I just want the answer, bro. Okay, if A is the point of position vector and direction vector B is given by that. Oh, is that saying like direction vector position, like lambda A plus B? No, I'll just say R1 just for sake. Uh, Lambda. Okay, and then the A's, okay. The A's are these negative things. There's gonna be -5, -4, and 3. Plus, and then B is the denominators. Cool, cool. 1 -3. Wait, I have a genius idea. What if we have to solve for lambda, right? Which will give the answer. So what if you rearrange x, y, and z in terms of lambda and plug it into the plane equation? Wait, hear me out, hear me out. So you're gonna get like the plane equation is gonna be 2 lots of -5 lambda plus 1 plus 3 lots of lambda is equal to 3. Take away 2 lots of z. Z is right, 3 lambda plus 5. And what's that equal? That equals 6. Hopefully get that right. Okay, then we get negative 10 lambda plus 2 to 12 lambda to equal 9 to 6 lambda to 10 equals 6. So we get negative 28 lambda, so negative 10, 22, 28 equals 6 plus 10 plus 9 to 2. So that's just 4, 10% 19. Okay, you've definitely done something wrong. I was hoping the answer would be clean. Clearly I made a mistake. Let's just rewind. Negative 5 lambda plus 1 plus 3, negative 4 lambda, take away 3. Negative 2 times 3 lambda plus 5. Negative 10 lambda. Okay, let's do it differently. We sure it's 6. This is why I don't like planes, man. This is what happened in finals as well. I made a mistake and when everything was cooked. See, this is what you do in a timeline. Is you gotta rewind and show. Okay, wait. Did we get the plane? Did we get this equation right? They said okay, hopefully I'm not taking too long. Okay, shoot, taking too long. Okay, we're kind of halfway through, kind of. On this equation. I've already told I'm not getting the other questions, so might as well just go with this. Um, hmm. Let's find next one and 3. 1, next 3 and 5. 4 and 3, yeah. Negative 5 lambda plus 1. Negative 4 lambda, take with 3. 3 lambda plus 5. Am I bugging? Wait. Okay, I'll do this one more time. Plus 2. Take away 12 lambda. Take away 9. So equals 16. 2 take away 9 is like 7. So 23. Yeah. Who knows, man? Okay, we'll keep going. So lambda equals 23 over negative 28. That looks so wrong, I'm not gonna lie. And then the point is just gonna be. Are we sure? Hmm. Anyways, 24 over 28. Negative 5, negative 4, and 3. It's gonna be that point. That's where it does. Yeah, I'm gonna skip this question just because there's no way I'm doing all this in front of you guys. So yeah, we're cooked. Plane 3 has equation. Yeah, we'll come back. We'll come back. 6. Water flowing into another large tank. Initial tank contains 10 liters of water for a flow. Yeah, I can have a comeback on this paper. Otherwise, we're not even getting above 50%. Uh, show that the module of the hmm. Will use the tank at rate proportional volume of water remaining in the tank. I think maybe I've never done this before, but it says like so it's given this part, right? This is kind of obvious in the equation. We'll write that down. But it says water leaves the tank at rate proportional volume of water remaining in the tank. So wouldn't that be like minus a constant times V or something like that? And then and we have solve for K and then it says initial tank contains 10 liters of water. So would that be like 0 equals 3 minus 4 over 1 plus 0 to kv, because then you'll get 0 equals 3 minus 4. Oh, no, that's not right. Oh, wait, no. So k equals 1. Wow. Because we got to get 4. They gave us 0.5. Sorry. They gave us. Wait, given that when t equals 0, the volume water in tank is decreasing at a rate of 3 liters per minute. Hold up. Oh, wait. They gave something else. They said t equals 0. This is equal to 3. So 3 equals 3 take away 4 of 1 plus 1 to kV. That's just 2. That's 1. Shoot. Initially, the tank contains 10 liters of water. Oh, so wait. Okay, let's write it for me for the examiner. 3 equals 3 take away 4 over 1 plus 8 times 0. Take away 10k. Because initially has 10. Wait, that's actually crazy. And then, so 4 over 1 plus. So I guess you get 2 equals negative 10k. Negative 1 over 5. Shoot. But that's negative 0.2. Ah, dang it. I thought I cooked that. I was like, yo, I'm actually him right now. What the hell? Yeah, it didn't happen. Because this initially, and then when t equals 0, decreasing at 3 liters per minute. Wait, decreasing. Wait, what if this is actually negative 3? So negative 3 equals 3 takeaway to takeaway 10k. So 3 takeaway 2 is 1 with 10k. So negative 4 equals negative 10k. K equals 4 over 10. 4. No, I'm actually too cold. I'm actually too cold. I've never done this before. I'm just plugging in random numbers and then I eventually got the answer. And then now in exam, remember, you would rub out all your work in and make it seem like this was your first answer. In exam like that, what the hell? This guy's acing this topic. He's done like all the past papers. Where in fact, I haven't. Okay, B. Determine. Oh, that's calm. Arc derivative of arctan e to power 0.4t. I think that's 1 over 1 plus et. Because it's 0.4t squared. Wait. Is that squared? You just times by 2 on the thing, no? Because we're not doing 0.4 squared, it's not that, it's like. So that should be e to 0.8t. But then you're going to multiply by derivative of e to power 0.4t. So it's going to be 0.4. There. Do we have a part C? Part C. Hence by solving the differential equation. Okay, I'm not going to read the rest, but we've got to solve that differential equation. Okay, let's write that down real quick. 3 to 4 over 1 plus e times t. There might be a reason why they said find derivative. Maybe it's for like the thing we're about to do. So then we have dv by dt plus 0.4v 3 taking 4 over 80. Wait a minute. Look at that. What if you just times by e to 0.40 on everything? And then this part is going to be dv by dt of e to 0.4t wait, TV, right? Because you plural. So, first you derive the right part, you prime, or whatever choice, and then you derive left part. Wait, and then this equals. Hold on, am I cooking? Um, yeah, 3 to 0.4. Yeah, blah blah blah. So then integrate both sides. So e to 0.4 t v equals the integral t. So we got integrate and stuff. Um, Equals, okay, for this one it's going to be 3 e to 0.4 t I think divided by 0.4. Take away, we got 4 lots of, so wait, that looks suspiciously similar to this, but we got 0.4 on the top. So maybe you could like, okay, we take let's say we times 1 over 10 and 1 over 10 and 10 on the outside. 10, 1 over 10 times 4 e to 0.4 t. And then this thing's going to be 0.4, and we need the integral of it. Wait, so it's going to be 4tv equals, let's clean this up, that's like 4 over 10. So we have 30 over 4 t, take away 10. And we know that, we know what that is, arctan e to 0.4 t plus c. We'll keep it. So then v equals 4 plus c. And then c, it told us that the volume is initially 10 liters of water. So I have to shoot. Okay, wait. 10 equals 30 over 4 take away 10. Because you plug t equals over it. 10 arctan of 1. We did this earlier, right? Power of 4. Divide by 10 on everything. Okay, actually, wait, that's going to affect the constant. Uh, what's the easiest way to do this? This is 40 over 4. So 10 over 4. 10 plus 10 pi. 5 plus 5 pi over 2. 5, 1 plus pi. For that thing, yeah. And that should be the answer. Oh, wait, we actually done it. I'm not good at this stuff usually. Okay. Give us some symbols for I did not this. After 10 minutes, the volume of the water in the tank was 8 liters. It varied the model. Also, you probably got to plug 10 in. But because I'm a waffler, I'll just say, I'll probably tell them like V at 10 is equal to like, they said 8 minutes, right? Alias. I'm going to say the answer was, um, um, is not near 8 on my calculator. So what you have to do is you have to say that you have to make them think you actually got the calculator on you and you actually did it. In fact, you didn't do that at all. You get what I mean? Well, they said value, right? So, uh, not good. Actually, let me check. It said v of 10 minutes, right? And then our functions in minutes as well. Okay. I think we kind of did that question. That's calm. Whoa, 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 whoa. What's going on here? Explain why for any of the naturals for any function are. I've never seen this stuff before. Hold up. You gotta show that that thing equals that. How do you even do that? Negative 1 power r f of 1. I mean, which Shall I just write the terms out and see what happens? We have negative f of 1 plus f of 2 negative f of 3 plus f of 4 plus plus. If you plug 2n minus 1, you get negative f of 2n minus 1 plus f of 2n, which equals. Wait, what's it asking to show? Maybe that's it. Maybe you're doing like the even terms n times equals 1 of f of 2r take away plus the sum to f of 2r take away 1, right? Because you plugged r equals 1, this gives f of 2, this gives f of 1. Is that what they want? Oh, which equals. I may think, why did I just rewrite it again? You make them sure that you actually, like, you didn't just copy of the thing. You split the sum and you bring it back in. And just say n even terms and odd terms. Negative 1 to power r switches. Sign. Okay, something like that. 2 marks, not too shabby. Whoa, 6 marks, what's going on? Use the standard summation formula. Show that n in the naturals. Whoa, that's crazy. Okay, I'm gonna just write the whole thing down. R negative 1 to power r 2r squared. That's all they pretty much given. Okay, we need to cook on this one. Now, there's one thing we do know. We got a formula for this negative 1 power f of r thing that they just gave. I know they're saying use standard summation formula, but let's just expand it, see what happens. Oh, so we're gonna get negative 1 power 2r plus 2r plus 4r negative 1 power r plus 4r squared 2n r equals 1. R times negative 1 power 2r plus 4r squared negative 1 power r plus 4r cubed. Because now negative 1 power 2r is just r, so that's it. Now we're gonna have so for r it's gonna be like n times n plus 1 over 2, like the final term. So it's gonna be 2n 1 over 2, which is just that. Plus now 4r squared, this is the same as the sum. Remember, we have like f of r, right? So this is sum like a whole big box around it. F of 2r, so that's going to be 4 of 2r squared, take away f of 2r minus 1. So 4 of 2r minus 1 squared. Whoa, this is long. What the hell? Okay, plus. Okay, the 4r cubed. Okay, that's definitely some in form, but I don't know what that is. It's going to take forever. Let's just search some. Search some. Oh, let's go. It's right there. I'm just going to copy that down. Give me a sec. 4 dot solve 2n squared 2n plus 1 squared all over 4. Okay, so it should be that because there's 4r cubed, right? Let me just make sure. It would divide by 4. That should cancel. You plug 2n for the thing. So the 4's disappear. And you're left with 4n squared on the top. Two n plus 1 squared. And then now the inner part. So let's expand that a bit. This is. Okay, so this is equal to n. Okay, we'll do like this part. Sum n equals 1. 2r squared is 4r squared. 4 times 4 16. So 16r squared. Take away 4 lots of t2r plus 1 plus n times n plus 1 root plus dot 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 equals the sum n r equals 1. 16r squared take away 16r squared plus 8r take away 4. I hope that's right. Let's make sure. 60r squared, take away 60r squared, plus 8r, take away 4. These cancelled, and we're left with 8r, take away 4. Plus star dot, which equals, and with the 8r, take away 4, so we get sum from n is 1, 8r, so take away sum, and I equals 1, or just 4, plus n times n plus 1 over 2, plus 4n squared, 2n plus 1 squared, equals, okay, this is 8n, n plus 1, 2, so that's just 4. Take away 4n plus r dot, which equals, so we have 4n squared here, because 4 and minus 4 cancel. Just 1, 2. What form did he want? Don't tell me it's like some weird constant. Minus 8n squared plus 4 plus 5. Okay. At least we got n and 2n plus 1. We got to factor that out somehow. And how are we going to factor that out? I have no clue. Okay, maybe let's just like common denominator. So we get like 8n squared plus n. That's 8n squared. So plus 2n plus 1 squared. How are we going to do that? Maybe like, yeah, this is long. What the hell? Wait, maybe you do like, okay, no, scratch that. We'll do 4n squared. We're going to have 1 plus 2n, 2n plus 1. That doesn't help at all. Okay. Hold on. What's going on? What's going on? Times 4n squared, we get an squared here. Wait, I just did something. I don't know what just happened, but things just cancelled. I mean, if you add it, you get squared n plus 1, 2n plus 1 squared plus n times n plus 1, which equals, factor the n plus 1 out. Wait, what do we get? Wait, what do we need in the first place? We need n times 2n plus 1. Shoot. Maybe it's like, if you factor n times n plus 1, you get an 2n plus 1. Dang it. I mean, I guess it's n squared. No, but when you take the thing out, no, you can't do it. Maybe, you know, wait. Let's just, yeah, I mean, I don't know what else to do. Okay, maybe, as long as we get some stuff as part of the question, we're good. Let me just do the n out. Okay, we got the n that we need. Then factor n plus 1 out. So you get 1 plus 8n. Apparently there's not meant to be 2 as well. Okay, maybe, 4n squared plus 4n plus 1, so 16n cubed. Yeah, that's cooked. Okay, we'll leave like this. Very long. Oh man. Flip. Oh wait, no, you just plug in like R equals. Wait, what? They're actually taking a piss of this one. Because look, they're asking for the thing earlier, but then 50 take away. So we have to do 50 R equals 1 take away 14 r equals 1? Or was it 13? But in 13 we don't know. We only got for 2n. So let's do 14. And how's this gonna work? So I think you just plug into the formula that they gave. Oh wait, oh yeah, I forgot to tell you that. So basically from here, um 5. You may think, what just happened there? You didn't have the answer. Well, let me tell you, this is the art of strategy. You have to make them seem like you actually derived it after all this working. This is the genius mindset, okay? Trust me, just trust me. Okay, now so the sum of 50 is 1. 25, 2 times so 51, 7, 8, 7 squared plus 4, 7, 15. And they expect you to just do this. Okay, what is going on? They just expect this. Okay, I guess 25. Wait, hold up. Let me just do some. 8 times 25 is what, like 200 to a full. To a full. 0 to 8. 5100. I could have just guessed that. But so we have 25 times 5105 times 51. So we 7 lots of 49 times 8. That's 50 times 8, take away 400, take away 8, so 392. You may think we haven't like given up yet, just because they want to see this stuff. Plus 8 there, so 400 plus 33, take away 8. That's like what, 25, 425, 15. Can factor a 5 out, doesn't help. And yeah, we'll just leave it there. And yeah, just we got to like 2 marks maybe. I got a calculator by this, so yeah, just cooked. That's the final part. Let's go on. Oh shoot, final question. Wait, how long have I spent on this? Oh, we're nearly. Oh, so we're nearly done. 2 marks. Oh shoot, this is like big question. Okay. Economy school models is being studied. State one limitation of the model regarding the division of its categories. I mean, like, it's limited to. Like, why would you do 3 months? They didn't choose 6 months. Oh wait, let me just make sure. What if the juvenile acts more like a newborn than the newborn? Wait, that might be. Or the juvenile acts like a newborn, because then that would erase the sort of statistics I would do. I have zero clue what was going on in this question. What are you talking about? A model for population of the colony is given by its matrix, where A and B are constants. Our solver studied the colony has breeders only, no newborns or juveniles. After 2 months, the number of newborns is 48, number of juveniles 40. Wait, each character must of the start of the breed study. At breed study for no newborns or juveniles. And how many breeders were there at the start? Are you not going to tell me? They're not gonna tell me. Because I was thinking like maybe like so you know like n1 m1 and b1 equals oh sorry j okay sorry j1 that matrix so 002 ab0 and 0.4 0.96 and 0 j0 b0 right but the problem is they didn't even say anything. Wait, what? At the start of the study the colony has breeders only. How's that meant to help then? Do you just like plug? Wait, I might have a genius strat. What if? But what if you just say there's no newborns or juveniles, right? So this is zero, and I'll say b0 equals like x. Will this take me anywhere? Who knows? Let's find out. Because this is gonna give 0, 0, 2x, a, b, and 0, 0, 0.48, so 0.96x. Then n2, j, j2 and b2. You do the thing again. So 0, 0, 2, a, b, 0, 0, 0.48, 6, 2x, 0, 0.96x. Wait. If they say there's like juveniles, bro, there's no juveniles in the second month. They're all dead. Am I bugging? They're all dead because they said there's no newborns or juveniles. Yeah, they're cooked. Okay, but or do you mean like okay, let's just do this. N1, J0, and B0. Okay, should we do that? So then this is two lots of B0. Yeah, you know what? How many marks is? One. We got 1 mark at the start. Wait, the time tells be the inverse. I can do that. Wait. Bundle these questions. I could just do the inverse one. Wait. Okay, I'm gonna use some. My bad. I might have to invoke some uni stuff. 0, 0, 0, 2, 0.8 and 0, 0.48, 0.96. And this is gonna be 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0. I need to turn into identity. What's the easiest way to do that? If I divide by 0.48 and everything here, that's gonna be 1. That's gonna be 2. Divide by 0.8 on everything here. That's 1. And then from here, we can do... What's the easiest way? I'm going to swap two of the rows. So 0, 0, 2. Actually, it's 1 of 0, 0. Then we'll have 0, 1, 2, 0, 0, 1 over 0.48. And 1 b over 0.8, 0. Okay, now, what do we do here? We get rid of the b over 0.8. That's kind of annoying. Maybe we'll do... Oh, wait. We'll do, okay, this same matrix has 1 b 0.8, 0. We'll do second row take with two lots of the last row. So 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1 over 0.8, 0. So it's going to be the second row take with two lots of the last row. Negative a quarter, 0, 1 over 0.48, half, 0, 0. Okay. And now it's going to be 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. And then we're going to do b over 0.8 of the second one, take away. So it's going to be 0 take away b over, times that, but b over 0.8. Okay, I'm going to take away 0.8 negative b over 0.8 quarter 0, 1, 0.48. So and where that's b inverse. So like, okay, I know this looks like gibberish to anyone who's not going to uni, but this is a method you can do. Okay, no, I've never even used that method before. It's my first time because I low key I learned how to solve an inverse like a couple days ago. Yeah, I'm gonna leave it there. Or to fact, I could probably do off good, but yeah, it's pretty calculated. Okay, I'm gonna leave it there. How long did I spend on this? An hour six. So let's find out if I did calm or how many marks I got. Uh, 9. I was gonna get a red pen. I'm on a tablet. I'm cooked. Okay, let's see. Question 1. You know what? If I get over 50%, I'm happy. I ain't gonna lie. It's the wrong paper. Okay. Yeah, because I was trying to find it in math puzzle, but I couldn't find it. I think it's here. Then, is it not this? What paper am I doing right now? May 2023. Wait a minute. Yo, am I bugging? Where's my paper at? Ay, ay, ay. I gotta search this up. Okay. A-level further maths. Okay, where's the query paper? I just need the masking. Wait, 20 pages is the masking one. Nope. Okay, hopefully it's this. Yeah. Wait, did I get the answer? Next 13 was scared plus 20W. Right? No, wow, I got a 26. Flip. I was so close. Wait, that write something wrong? Was it 4 plus 6? 13 minus 12. Oh, damn. You lose a mark. What's the marks you say? You get a math mark, 2 answer marks. Damn, I'm 1 off. I'm 2 off. That's cooked. Okay, well, we lost a mark there already. Damn, I'm cooked then. Oh, wait, you could have done some progress. Okay, who's doing that, bro? Who's doing that? Wait, what? I got that. Arc cos x plus 2. I got that. Wait, there's no way I guess the mean value thing. Wait, and I got the 5 plus 2 is 6. Yo, wait, what? I bagged 3 marks on that. I was confused. I was like, yeah, I didn't get the like constants because usually it's like maybe like I don't know 3 log 2 or something. Okay, I'll take that. Wait, how like just okay? I'll just guess the formula. Okay, I'm not even going to. Oh, this is just the argon stuff. It's pretty tough. 4 root 2 cos 3 power 4. Oh, let's go. We got that. Oh, this was a tough stuff like bi negative 2 over 3 plus I negative 6 over 3. Wait, I got it. C2 to the power 4. Wait, but this was the easy one, so I got this as well. 81 over 2, negative 81 root 3 over 2. I got that. And then the region defined. Wait. If don't take the piss, I'll go sorry. Oh, I might have to deduce them up though, because my Z1 over Z2 is like, it's a bit further away from it. Oh wait, Z1 over Z2 lies on the same line as it. Damn, I didn't know that. Wait, they didn't put axes. Oh, I'm actually a genius. I didn't put axes. Wait, Z1 over Z2 correctly positioned, looking for the correct quadrants. Z1 approximately y minus x. We want Z1 over Z2 in the correct quadrant. Bro, so I got full marks then. It just says in the correct quadrant. And I did the shaded thing. Perpendicular and everything. Oh wait, that's actually too sick. Wait, what? I don't even like these questions. Okay, but okay, as was. Um, I think I got full. Just I think an exam can just tell. Yeah, I actually done it. Look, I'm gonna give my story. I'll write this in exam. Just try. I'm a good civilian. I'll write that. All right. Wait, it's actually going. And the other people. Oh yeah. Now it goes down. It goes down. Yeah. I have no clue. Did I even get that thing right? The two lambda minus. I put B here and A here, then I A. Give me my method mark. Give me my method mark. I don't care. No, look, they'll definitely give a method mark for that. You know, they saw yeah, I was peak. And yeah, I didn't get anything else. Let's see how many. Well, the question's easy. Oh wait, no, that's just B. Oh shoot. Oh yeah, but this. Now, man said they need like 5 pages to do just these questions. That's crazy. Okay, 6A. If I did this, oh my days, negative 3. That's exactly what I did. Also, oh, I didn't put plus minus, but I put minus. Maybe 'cause I was thinking ahead of the cup. I knew it would be negative. Think about it. Okay, 6. So I actually got that. Okay, I think I got B. Hopefully, I got that's my answer, right? Oh, they did some weird expanding thing. Okay, yeah, but we got it. We got it. Why does it say K? Are they bugging? Wait, where's K come from? Hold on. So over 4. This is. Oh yeah, 4 over 10. That's 4, 10, 2, and 5. And that's what they. That's what it is. Okay. Let's go. C. Did we get C? Let's find out. V equals 7.5. Okay. Oh, 7.5 is a constant, isn't it? Oh, wait, no. Oh, wait. 7.5. Take away 10 equals blah, blah, plus C. And C is this thing. Why is there another e to 0.4? Oh, it's because when they. Oh, we did get the 2.5 pi plus 1. Oh, so we lost like a mark or something. Hey, I'm taking it. Usually I don't even get this stuff right. Okay, let's go. D, what was D? Was it as it predicts approximately. And what did I say? Detail is not near 8 on my calculator, so not good. Okay, let's just see the leeway on these marks. Allow if a value of v is obtained if there's no. Oh, I should have written a number on there. Oh wait, no, I did put 8 though. It's not near 8. That's 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 good in my eyes, honestly. That's good in my eyes. You know, think the examiner, he was on a good route today. Okay, and okay, this some stuff was crazy. I can't lie. Oh, so literally, okay, that should be 2 marks. I mean, I don't know what they're looking for, but that Just get game marks. I need some marks. Okay, so where did we go wrong here? So we have n. Yeah, it just went left. I can't lie. It just went left. But you know what? So what? Do we get like we got method mark. Yep, we used the thing before. We expanded. We didn't get the answer, but we showed all the working. So that's 5 marks in my eyes. Heads evaluate. That's beautiful. Wait, isn't C? Wait, why are there 4 marks in the first place? Wait, it was 13. No, that's it. Actually, they're taking a piss. I can't lie. You're telling me, oh, I got one method mark then. Flip. Yeah, just one. You're telling me, so I was right about the 14. You're meant to split it and then just basically be a nerd. It's just not right. It's just not right. Okay. And then next. How d Wait, what? Wait, I was right. You had to do that 02 key thing. I got that. Oh, flip. I just lost the method mark. Wait, what if the examiner saw the ink in my paper? So think about an exam, I would have rubbed it out, but then he might see that I actually did that, and then gets a mark. I'm actually, oh, it's actually his genius plays. I can't like, wait, where am I going? Oh yeah, first of all, wait, first 1 mark. Did you guess? Uh, and what did I say? I said juvenile acts like a newborn. Yeah, yeah, exactly. That's what I'm saying. Yeah. I got that right. I got that right. Okay, we get 1 mark here. Okay, you know what? We'll add the mark here. We'll add the mark because they still man was when my man was attempting it. Wait, I didn't rub it out. I didn't rub it out. I can't. I didn't close. I bugged out there. Okay, we got the mark there. C. If I got the inverse, I'm gonna get gassed. I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna get gassed. Wait, wait. We got a B in here and a B in here, and it's negative. Surely. Wait, 1.25. 25 negative 1.25 over 3. I think I got that. Negative 1 over 4, but the fact. Shit, is that negative 1? I'll give myself, we get ourselves 2 marks. We get ourselves 2 marks. So it's, and the firm value of B, 2 decimal places. Uh, yeah, we didn't get any. Okay, time to mark. Do we get Ben last time? Who knows? This is further. This is meant to be like the go of papers. So let's see. Okay, 4. Is that 100, right? 5, 7, 10, 12, 14, 16, 20, 25, 26, 27, 32, 35, 37. What was that question anyways? That was, oh yeah. So 37, 30, 39, 40, 45, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49. Oh, we got 49 of 100. Flip. Okay, you know what? We'll close 50% as always. And yeah, as always. Does that say 75? Wait, so, wait. 65%. Let's go. Wait. So 65% on a 10% paper. I will say you probably go revise. Well, not revise. Just like just know. Yeah, you probably go revise this paper. But I mean, low key was quite an interesting paper. I'd give it a 7 out of 10. I'd say they made it quite approachable for newcomers, and they made it quite simple, I guess, for people who've been in the game for a long time. And yeah, that's gonna be the end of the video. Hope you enjoyed this kind of walkthrough, and yeah, see you next time.